Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to derive the surface area of a cylinder. The surface area of a cylinder is going to consist of two circles and a rectangle. Now, as you should recall from GCSE Mathematics, the circumference of a circle has the equation pi times diameter. Since the diameter of a circle is twice as large as its radius, the circumference of a circle can also be thought of as 2 pi r. Now the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, so with the circumference of a circle and knowing its area, we can come up with the surface area of a cylinder. So I've drawn this diagram over here and we have two circles. We know their areas because the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, now how about this rectangle over here? Well, a cylinder has a height, okay, and one of its edges, well, the edge of this rectangle is going to be the circumference of these circles, and the circumference is 2 pi r. So if we go halfway of the length of this rectangle, we get pi r, okay, because two of these will add up to 2 pi r. So what's the surface area of a cylinder going to consist of? Well, it's going to consist of the area A1, which is pi r squared, the area A2, which is pi r times h, the height of the cylinder, A3, which is pi r times h, okay, and A4, which is pi r squared, okay? So the surface area of a cylinder is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. A1 is pi r squared, A2 is pi r times h, which is this area. A3 is pi r times h, which is this area. And A4 is also equal to pi r squared. If we simplify this expression over here, we get 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, okay? And we can use the distributive law to get 2 pi r times r plus h, okay? So the surface area of a cylinder is going to be 2 pi r times r plus h. Now this is the surface area of a cylinder in terms of the radius and height. What if the radius, though, is half the diameter? What we do is we get this formula over here and we turn these r's into half times diameter. So what we get is the surface area is 2 pi times half times diameter times half diameter plus height, okay? Now this side to the left over here, because we've got 2 times a half, becomes pi times diameter. So we get pi times diameter times d over 2 plus 2h over 2, okay, which is simply h. If we simplify further, we get pi times diameter times d plus 2h over 2, and this gives us the equation half times pi times diameter times d plus 2h, okay? So this is the surface area of a cylinder in terms of the diameter and height of the cylinder. So that's the surface area of a cylinder in a nutshell. If you have any questions related to this video, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. For more maths related content, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. For extra mathematics work, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.